RG500 MAX 8K Dual Camera RC Drone, Obstacle Avoidance, 360 degrees rolls, 1 key return, foldable quadcopter. Step into the world of cinematic aerial photography and effortless control with the RG500 MAX, a powerful, feature-rich 8K dual camera drone designed for both beginners and experienced pilots. With advanced obstacle avoidance sensors, one-click functions, and a sleek foldable design, this drone offers performance, portability, and stunning image quality in one elegant package. Key features: dual 8K HD cameras capture stunning aerial shots with high-resolution imaging from 2 perspectives. 3-way obstacle avoidance, equipped with intelligent infrared sensors on the front, left, and right to automatically detect and avoid obstacles mid-flight. One-handed foldable design, compact, lightweight, and portable. The drone folds down into a palm-sized body, easy to carry anywhere. 360 degrees flips and rolls. Add fun to your flights with one-click 3D aerial stunts. Real-time HD image transmission. View live footage directly on your smartphone through the mobile app. Optical flow positioning. Ensures stable hovering and smoother flight even without GPS, reducing motion blur and enhancing photo clarity. One key return and one-click functions. Return to home, take off, land, or switch functions with a single tap, perfect for beginners. Waypoint flight mode. Draw your desired path on the app, and the drone will fly along the route autonomously. Gesture shooting and MV editing. Control photo and video capture with hand gestures. Edit videos in real time within the app to create cinematic results instantly. Gravity sensor mode. Control the drone by tilting your phone. More immersive and intuitive flying experience. Package. What's in the box? 1 RG500 MAX RC drone. 1 remote controller. 1, 2 or 3 built-in battery, as per selection. 1 USB charging cable. 1 set of spare parts, propellers, tools, etc. Why choose the RG500 MAX? Whether you're a beginner exploring aerial videography or a drone enthusiast looking for a compact, high-resolution quadcopter with intelligent safety features, the RG500 MAX hits the mark. From gesture-controlled filming to infrared obstacle detection and real-time editing, this drone blends ease of use with advanced functionality. And thanks to its foldable, lightweight frame, it's ideal for travel, vlogging, or everyday fun. Ideal for content creators and vloggers, beginner drone pilots, tech toy enthusiasts, gift ideas for teens and adults, travel and outdoor photography. Technical specifications: camera dual 8K HD cameras, obstacle avoidance front, left and right infrared sensors. Flight features 1 key return, waypoint flight, 360 degrees flip. Video transmission real-time via mobile app. Hovering technology optical flow plus anti-shake stability. Gesture control yes. Photo and video. Control distance approximately 100 to 150 meters. Battery type built-in rechargeable. 1, 2/3 optional. Flight time approximately 15 to 18 minutes per battery. Charging time approximately 70 to 90 minutes. Foldable design yes. One-hand compact folding. App compatibility Android, iOS. Motor type cordless, not brushless.